Deleting a commit in Bitbucket involves rewriting history using Git, as Bitbucket itself does not provide a direct interface for deleting specific commits. Here's how you can remove a commit. Open terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your local repository directory using a terminal or command prompt. Identify the commit. Use git log to find the hash of the commit you want to delete. This shows the history of commits with their hashes. Remove the commit. If you want to delete the most recent commit, use the following. Replace 1 with the number of commits you want to go back. This command will remove the last commit from the local history. Delete a specific commit. If the commit is not the latest, use an interactive rebase. Replace m with the number of commits you want to go back. In the interactive editor, mark the commit you want to delete with drop or D. Force push changes. To update the Bitbucket repository, force push the changes. Replace branch name with your branch name. This command updates the remote repository with the new commit history.